Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and turning on the tap and nothing comes out. No water to drink, no water to cook, no water to wash your face. Not even a single drop. Sounds impossible, doesn't it? But for millions of people around the world, this is not imagination. This is Tuesday morning. Today, we are going to write a speech on save water. Point number 1 focuses on the greeting. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Always start your speech with a warm greeting. It tells your audience, I see you, I respect you, and I am glad to be here. Those first 3 seconds on the stage decide whether people will listen or not. A confident greeting earns their attention before you say anything else. In the next point, we will focus on introducing the topic. So point number 2 is, today I stand before you to speak on a topic that concerns every single one of us. That is, save water. Just note that instead of saying, today I will speak about save water, we will say a topic that concerns every single one of us. This pulls the audience in. It tells them this is not just my speech, this is about you too. In the point number 3, we will focus on why water matters. So point number 3 is, water is the most important thing for all living beings on this earth. Not gold, not oil, not electricity. Water. A human being can survive weeks without food, but without water, just 3 days. And life begins to fail. That is how completely, how absolutely we depend on water. It is not a resource, it is life itself. In point number 4, we will focus on what we use water for. So point number 4, we will write, we need water to drink, to cook our food, to stay healthy. From the moment you wake up, brushing your teeth, washing your face, having breakfast, water is already there, quietly doing its work. So we use it so naturally, so automatically that we forget it is not endless. We forget that somewhere someone walked 3 miles this morning just to carry home one pot of it. In point number 5, we will focus on other living beings that need water too. So in point number 5, we will write, plants need water to grow and animals need it to survive. Without water, there is no food, no forest and no life. Every grain of wheat, every fruit on a tree, every blade of grass grew because water reached it. When rivers dry up, forests disappear. When forests disappear, animals die. When animals die, the balance of nature breaks. It all begins and ends with water. Now, here is the fact that will change the way you look at every tap you open from today. Point number 6 is, there is only a very small amount of fresh water on earth and most of it is locked away in glaciers and ice caps far beyond our reach. 71% of the earth is covered with water. Sounds like plenty, doesn't it? But 97% of that water is salty, that is ocean water. We cannot drink it. Of the remaining 3%, most is frozen. The water we actually use, rivers, lakes, groundwater, is less than 1% of all the water on this planet. That brings us to point number 7. This is why we must never waste water, not a single drop of it. Wasting water is not just careless, it is unfair. Every drop you waste is a drop that someone else needed. A child in a dry village, a farmer waiting for rain, an animal searching for a puddle in the summer heat. When you waste water, it is never just your loss. The whole world pays for it. Point number 8 is, we must close taps tightly after use and take only as much water as we truly need. A tap left dripping loses more than 10,000 liters of water every single year. 10,000 liters from one tap. just because nobody turned it off properly. The solution is not expensive. It does not need technology or money. It only needs awareness and one small habit. Turn it off when you are done. Point number 9 is every single drop of water is precious. Save it today because tomorrow may be too late. We do not realize the value of water until the well runs dry. Do not wait for that day. The child who learns to save water today will grow into the adult who protects rivers tomorrow. Change starts small. Change starts with a single drop and a single decision. A good speech never ends abruptly. It ends with a call. Something for the audience to carry home. Give them not just a goodbye but a responsibility. Then close with warmth. Thank you all for listening, and that was the complete 10-point speech on Save Water.